In this class, you'll learn to work with tools for inserting leaders in drawings. There are tools for inserting these elements on the Multi-Leaders panel, Annotate tab. You apply the multi-leader command to create these elements, or just type mleader on the command line. See how after executing the command, you'll see options for first placing an arrowhead or text and other available options as the menu shows. The first option defines if the leader line will be straight or curved. Let's create one using spline. Select the point where the leader arrowhead will be and then the text. Now type the corresponding text. You can see the options for defining the text style are the same as in the multi-line text tool. Click OK to confirm. It's possible to insert more leaders in an annotation at any time. Select the Add Leader option to do this. This operation is quite simple. Select the leader you wish to add arrowheads and position the new arrows. You can add more leaders like this, and you can also remove them using the Remove Leader tool. Select the leader and arrowheads you wish to remove. You can align several leaders based on one leader. Click the Align tool to access this option. When you enable this tool, it first requests you to select all leaders which will be aligned, and then you have to define the leader which will be used as a reference. The Collect tool joins several leaders into a single leader. See how simple it is to do this. There are several leader properties options in the Properties option. You can modify some object properties here. You can select either spline or straight lines in leader type. It's also possible to select different images for the leader arrowhead. This, in fact, a block in the drawing, which can also be easily changed using this method. You can use the Insert Field option to insert more data in your drawing. Just like dimension styles, you can also create new leader styles. Click Multi-Leader Styles to display the existing leader styles. You can even create new styles by clicking New or Edit in the Modify option. After creating a new style, you need to define a name and then click Continue. Define the style settings in the displayed dialog box. You can define the shape and size properties on the leader format, as well as such information as line color and type. Then in Structure, you can specify an angle position for the first arrowhead of a leader as well as other information. It's also possible to define if the leader will be annotative or not in the drawing. Finally, you define if the leader will contain text or block in the content option and the specifications for each one. After all settings are done, just confirm to make them default. There can also be several leader styles, and it's so easy to manage them using this small application. You can quickly define a leader style by clicking on this field on the Multi-Leaders panel. So in this class, you've studied about using leaders and how to create new styles for these objects.